Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Welcome to our creative world, the DIY craft videos, where inspiration meets imagination. In this video, we bring you some of the most beautiful and inspiring fabric painting decoration ideas. Carefully selected some pebbles and transform into a visual journey you will love. Each design you will see in a unique piece of art, blending colors, pattern, and creativity in the most stunning way. Pebble painting is not just about applying paints on pebble or stone. It's about expressing personality, adding beauty, and creating something that feels truly yours. From delicate flower patterns to bold abstract design, each idea in this collection is perfect for brightening your home or personal space. These pebble-inspired ideas are full of charm, making it easy to find style that match your taste, be it modern, traditional, or a mix of both. Every pebble in this video shows the power of imagination. These are very stunning and very wonderful and very fantastic pebble paintings for your home decor or your home space. Pebble painting is also a wonderful way to relax, explore your creativity, and make something personal and meaningful, whether for your own home or as a handmade gift for someone special, like your sister, like your brother, like your mom, like your friends, and so on. This video is more than just a collection of pictures. It's an invitation to explore your artistic side. Imagine the fantastic satisfaction of looking at a pebble in your corners of your home and knowing that it was your own creation. The designs you will see here are versatile, allowing you to experiment with colors, textures, and themes that match any room or occasion. By the end of this video, we hope you will feel excited and motivated to pick up your brushes and start your own pebble painting.